This truck is running. It's running rough. It's missing. Definitely seems to be missing. The check engine light came on, so we're going to have to investigate this with our code reader. Okay, make sure the ignition is on. Cylinder 4 misfire detected. A coil pack or a fuel injector are the likely causes. I'm going to change out the coil pack. So here we are. There's 1, 2, 3 there. 4 way back there. So that's going to be a challenge. It's better if you put a board up there to lie on. Okay, so working way in the back, we're going to have to get a couple things out of the way. There's a PCV valve right here. There you see where it was. Tucked it away over here. Now another thing we've got a problem with here is that the fuel injector wiring is in the way. The best way to get this is to lay across and get it in your right hand. So reaching in like this, squeezing to unplug it. There. There, now we can see little 7mm mounting bolt for the coil pack. Deep well socket, 1/4 inch. And these aren't on there too tight. Okay, it's loose. Sit there still. This one I just got to get in here and turn it umpteen times to get it out. Being very careful, of course. There it is again. There. You see that? Not to drop that little, let's call it a screw. It might be easier to show it on one that's more accessible, like this one. Get back here, and squeeze and pull, and unplug it. So we're just going to do that back here, but you're not really going to be able to see it. The hand's in the way. Unplug. Now we can get at. See, the coil pack's all loose now. And even though there's these lines, fuel lines above it, it's still flexible enough. Pull out. And there's our target. And we picked up a Denso coil for $23. Okay, looks like we've got a match. I ohmed these out and they ohm out the same. And so I'm not sure why we're getting the intermittent failure. But this is original equipment on a truck that's nearing antique status. You see they put some dielectric grease inside there. I'm going to add some also to the outside here. Okay, so in with the new. Let's find the spark plug hole. There we are. Once you've got it in there, now we can, and we'll plug it back in, because that'll be impossible to do further down in there. It's a one-handed operation, kind of like catching a football thrown way out in front of you. So there we have it plugged in. Now let's make sure it's seated all the way, turning it and pushing it in. So now we can go down and put the screw in. Purely a manual operation. You got it in about as far as you can by hand. And it's still taking some more turns. This is the hardest one on this side of the engine by far. That's good enough. Don't overdo it. At this point, we can plug in the fuel injector back in. It didn't really snap. And that's it. Oh, one more thing. Don't forget to put this back in. So I've driven it around for a couple days and it's running much better. And let's go take a look. And the service engine now light cleared on its own. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.